Hi all, welcome back to the new video of computer network. In this video we are going to discuss introduction to communication system and network. First topic, we are going to discuss types of signals. There are two types of signals called digital and analog. Analog signals continuous electric waves, and analog signals are continuous electronic signals waves, and digital signals are individual electrical pulses. I repeat, a signal which varies in discrete fashion is called a digital signal, and a signal which varies continuously with time is called analog signal. Here we have two types of signal, digital and analog signal. Digital signal varies in discrete fashion, and here we have the analog signal which varies in continuous motion with time. Now, here is the communication model for network. In a communication system, there should be a source to send data, or it is called transmitter. Then a transmission system should be there, and a destination system or receiver or destination should be there for communication. Here is the general block diagram. Workstation, a modem is the a public telephone network, then demodulate and server. This is an example for communication model. Now we have the modes of communication. Modes of communication describes the way of data transfer through a communication channel, that is unidirectional, bidirectional or simultaneous bidirectional communication. Here we have the examples for modes of communication: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. The first one, simplex. In this mode of communication that flows only in one direction, that is either of the station can send signal, that is sender or receiver. This is the simplest method. Now moving to half duplex method. In half duplex method, stations can communicate in two directions but not simultaneously. If station A sends a message, B has to wait, and only after completion of message from A, B can send message. That is half duplex. Now full duplex, spelling mistakes is there, DUPLEX. Full duplex. In full duplex communication, stations can send message in two directions simultaneously. It is simultaneous in nature. Station A and station B can send data at the same time. Now here we have some examples for communication technology applications. These are voicemail, Twitter, email, instant messaging, chat rooms, news groups, telephony, video conferencing, collaboration, groupware, and GPS. Now, here we have some communication devices that are hardwares capable of transmitting data, instructions, and information between devices. Examples are dial-up modem, ISDN and DSL, cable modem, network interface cards, NIC. These are the communication devices. Dial-up modem uses standard phone lines, convert digital information into analog, consists of a modulator and demodulator. It can be external, internal, or wireless. Now, integrated service digital network and digital subscribe line modem allows digital communication between network and computers. Requires a digital modem. Now, cable modem, a modem that transmits and receives data over the cable television network, also called broadband modem. The incoming signal is split, requires a cable modem. Now, we have network interface card. These are adapter cards residing in the computer to transmit and receiver data over the network. It operates with different networking technologies, example Ethernet. Now, moving to communication channel. In a communication system, there should be some physical or wireless medium for the transfer of data. This medium is called communication channel. There are mainly two types of communication channels: guided media and unguided media. First one we have this is the diagram for communication. Here we have wireless communication and physical communication. Now, for physical transmission media, that is guided media, we have three examples: twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, and coaxial cable. First one, twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable means a pair of cable. This is insulated Cu wires. Cu means copper wires twisted together. The twisting is in order to reduce the noise due to current carrying cables close by. It is an expensive low bandwidth voice cable. Usually for twisted pair are used for connecting computers. Now, moving to coaxial cable, it is highly insulated copper having very good bandwidth. The core copper wire is insulated and around the insulation copper mesh is formed. This again insulated, it has a high voice community. Now, moving to FOC, fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cables are light carrying charges, that is, they transmit data in the form of light. FOCs are very thin glass or silicon tube. FOCs have very high bandwidth. Besides the channel, a light source and detections are used. Light source is used for converting electrical signal into light signals. A LED or laser diode can be used as light source, and a photodiode or phototransmitter can act as detector. Very high speed data transfer is possible with a fiber optic channel. They are very expensive. Now, unguided transmission media. In the case of unguided transmission media, we make use of air. Here we use high frequency electromagnetic waves like microwaves, radio waves, and infrared rays for modulating message signals. In this mechanism, transmitters transmits modulated signal. They propagate through air, and at a receiving station receive the signal and then demodulate to get the original message. Geostationary satellites are examples. They are also used for wireless communication. They act as big microwaves repeaters in the sky. They have transponders to listen to a particular frequency and receive frequency in is falling that range. The receiving signal is amplified and then sent back to cover a large area. The uplinking and downlinking frequency will be different. This is in order to avoid interference. So this is about communication channels. Thank you.